Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change screen resolutions on MacBook. So it's pretty simple to do. I'm also going to show you a shortcut. So first of all, you can go ahead and open up your system settings right there, and then you will see displays here. Now you can also go ahead and press Options and F2 key, Option and F2, press on it, and as you can see now the displays open up. Now you will see that you can go ahead and change it. So as you can see, the default is this one. If you would change it to a smaller numbers, as you can see, they are getting bigger and bigger. You can also go ahead and press show all resolutions and you will have a lot more options. And as you can see, you can either zoom it in like so. And that's pretty much it. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.